Hey my foodies, I'm Soumya and once again welcome back to my channel Dash of Delight. Today I'm gonna share with you all one of the most popular Indian snack recipes which is dhokla or khaman dhokla. So let's get started. For dhokla, take 1 cup of chickpea flour or gram flour or besan, whatever you call it, and then strain it well. So see guys, here I have strained the chickpea flour well. Now let's start adding the other ingredients. So first of all, we'll add 2 tablespoons of semolina into it, like this. Then comes 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt, whatever you have. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger and green chili paste. Then add 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by 1 teaspoon of sugar, like this. And now guys, add 1 tablespoon of oil into it. This is vegetable oil. Now take some lukewarm water and start adding into it, like this. Keep mixing and keep adding water in small quantities. So basically, we need to make smooth batter out of it. Also remember guys that there should be no lump in the batter. So adding small amounts of water and mixing continuously will prevent the batter from formation of lumps. See guys, our batter is all here. I've made a smooth batter. See, can you see? So it's of pouring consistency. So now cover it and keep it aside and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. So guys, it's been 10 minutes now. Now let's proceed further. So see, our batter is all ready. So now we are going to add couple of ingredients here. First stir it lightly, just like that. That's it. And then take half lemon wedge and squeeze into it. Squeeze out all of it. Now last but not the least, add in some fruit salt. So add 1 teaspoon of fruit salt and then add some droplets of water, just 4 to 5 droplets of water, and then start mixing well. Our batter is ready now. Now grab a stainless steel container like this and grease it well with some oil. Grease it properly from all the sides, like this. And now guys, without any delay, start pouring all the batter into the container. Remember that after adding fruit salt, the batter should not be rested at all. So make this process faster. Now take some water in deep flat bottom skillet like this and allow it to boil. And once it reaches the boiling temperature, keep the container into it like this. Now place the lid and let it steam for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the tempering or tadka. So take 1 tablespoon of oil and once it is heated, add mustard seeds. Once it crackles, add in curry leaves, green chilies, couple of them. Now add 1/3 teaspoon sugar and just a pinch of salt, around 1/4 teaspoon, that's it. And now guys, add around 1 cup of water into it. So water is very essential in tadka of dhokla guys, so just do remember this. Now let this water come to one boil, then switch off the gas and add 3-4 droplets of lemon. Our tempering is ready. Now here it's been around 20 minutes. Let's have a look. See, our dhokla is all ready guys. Now grab a knife and prick it somewhere in the middle. See, our knife has come out all clean. So our dhokla is all steamed well now. Now take it out and with the help of a knife, start moving through the edges like this. So just be careful guys, let it cool down first and then carry out this process. So come all the way around like this. So that's it guys, our dhokla cake is almost demolded. Now take it out on a flat surface like this and then start putting the tempering over it like this. And one more thing guys, if you want, you can also add some white sesame seeds into the tadka. I mean, it's absolutely your choice if you want to. So that's it guys. Now let it rest for around 5 minutes and then grab a knife and start cutting it into pieces. Now this process is very easy guys. It's just like cutting a birthday cake. So see guys, here I have taken out all the pieces out of it. Now time to garnish it. So just top it with some finely chopped coriander leaves like this. Now add some coconut over it. I have taken grated coconut. If you have the desiccated one, that will also do the job. So friends, our delicious dhokla is all ready now. So let me show you once. See, this come out to be so spongy and juicy that I bet you can't stop yourself from having more than one piece guys. It is absolutely yummy. So that's all for today guys. If you liked my recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be right back soon. Until next time, bye bye and take care.